Hello friends, just got this in the mail, and if you're wondering what it is an LED garage light, which seems to be the hottest thing I've noticed in home improvement. This one I think is a 60 watt, 6,000 lumen one. CRI greater than 80, average, let's see, the 50,000 hours, and that's all the box says. Oh, it came with an extender, and I already took the cap off. See, that's the cap. It lights from here and the 4 panels, and it's gonna go here. Okay, you have to admit that although it was clever, that looks kind of ugly, right? It's got 3 2-in-1s and 4 of the lamps. So, I mean, it works, but really it is kind of hideous. Anyway, so that's gonna come off, and the LED garage light is gonna go on because I am waiting for the fixture to go there, and I haven't got it yet. So I'm gonna kind of test it out on that spot. So let's see. I'll be back. Let me tell you, this sucker throws out a lot of light. It really does. But yeah, towards the garage, yes. But on the back side, not so much, even though it's still lit. Okay, and I warn you not to look at it because it's so bright. And I believe it. That's a good brightness. Okay, so over here it's pretty good. You know, closer to the entrance, it's you know, it's not so much light because it's all projecting away. But man, that throws a lot of light out. I can't wait to get a second one to put up there. So this is the way it looks. I know you can't, I'm sorry, you can't tell. Anyway, okay, that didn't help. Okay, let me back up. Oh, you still can't tell. Okay, I dialed down. Nope, it's still too bright, but that is amazing. All right, that's reporting it's pretty damn bright. Can't wait to get the second one. Hello friends. There is 5 reasons why you want to get this LED garage light over any other light. 1, center output. 2, 5 output sources, not 3. And why that is important is because when you see all those other products that are outputting 6,000, 8,000 watts, and there's only 3 sources, that's a lot of LEDs in a little space. Heat is always going to be a problem with those other LED garage lights. This one has 6,000 watts, 6,000 lumens by using 5 sources. See my point? There's no concentration of LEDs, less chance of overheating, and you can use the center one always and fold these in. See? They fold in and they fold out. I recommend this one over any of the other ones.